This label maker has exceeded my expectations. At first, it took a little while to learn exactly what to do, and I struggled putting the paper in and figuring out the app, but once you get it going, it is so easy. You have to pick what paper you have, and it comes with paper. You can type anything you want. You can pick border, you can pick symbols, you can change the font, you can change the size, you can move it around, and when you're done, you just press print, and it comes out easy like this, and it has a little tear perforator, so you can rip it out. It is already sticky, and just like that, you have a label. I have used this in my classroom quite a few times, and I have actually let the students pick out the icons and decals that they want. I'm showing you in real time how fast it takes me to make a label. So once you download the app and it's all set up, all you do is go through all the listings, you pick what you want. For example, I'm going to pick a flower. Then I'm going to double tap. I'm going to write in my word. I'm going to write my plants. And as fast as it takes you to type it is as fast as it takes you to print it. You make it positioned where you want it. You can change the size, the font, whatever. Press print, and just like that, you will have a label. Perfect for the on-the-go person who also wants to stay organized.